Come on, honey blonde. I know you see her. I hope y'all are feeling this hair as much as I am. All right, period. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig, but most importantly, I'm going to show you guys how I fix dark lace. As beautiful as this wig was, the lace was a few shades darker than me, and it kind of had like a grayish tint to it. So after doing some research, I learned it is best to use a foundation or concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than you. You don't want to use a concealer or foundation that is your actual shade, because since the lace is already dark, you want to lighten it, not darken it. So I'm using my Ruby Kisses concealer. My bad, correction. I'm using my Jolivia's Place palette concealer that I usually use for my eyebrows. It's about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm using that to just, buff into the lace like I normally would every other wig install, using my blow dryer to just dry that up. I make sure I put it on the inside and the top as well, because I really want to make sure I am lightening the whole lace. I let that dry up on my blow dry. And here's how the lace is looking after I have tinted it a bit better to my skin tone. It's not as like grayish and dark as it was earlier. Do keep in mind, I did find the lace on this wig to be a little bit on the thicker side, so I felt like it was a bit thinner. It would definitely melt more, even consider that it was dark. So even though after I tinted, the lace was still a little bit visible under some light, but honestly, look, at the end of the day, a wig is still a wig, but this is why I always say use HD lace and nothing else. But after that, I just went ahead and proceeded to installing the wig the way I usually do. So